Hi, this is CC Paradise 1.
And this is Kleiner 2296, and we'll be singing Fly For You by Nicki Minaj and Rihanna.
And we got a video from JessieLCue, and we'll put it in the description box.
Turn up a little.
Alright, sure.
Thanks. I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Today it would rain all day. Maybe that I kinda make the pain go away. Trying to forgive you for abandoning me. Praying, but I think I'm still an angel away. Angel away, yeah, strange in a way. Maybe that's why I chase strangers away. They got the guns out aiming at me, but I become near when they're aiming at me. Me against them. Me against enemies. Me against friends. Somehow they both seem to become one. A sea full of sharks and they smell like blood. They start coming and I start rising. Must be surprising. I'm just a mindset. I win, thrive, soar, higher, 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 more fire. To fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Everybody wanna try and box me in, suffocating every time it locks me in. Paint their own pictures and they crop me in, but I will remain where the top begins. Cause I am not a word, I am not a line, I am not a girl that can ever be defined. I am not fly, I am levitation. I was an entire generation. I hear the criticism loud and clear. That is how I know that the time is near. See, we become alive in the time of fear, and I ain't got no time to spare. Cry my eyes out for days upon days. It's such a heavy burden placed upon me. But when you go hard, your names become yays. Yankee steady young with J's and Kanye's. To fly, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Get ready for it, get ready for it, get ready for it. I came to win. Get ready for it, get ready for it. I came to win. I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise. We hope you guys like this, and sorry for the end, but we never made it past that far, so
I hope you like it.